Good morning. I just arrived by taxi from Dilijan to Goshavank monastery. A monastery that was founded in 1188 and abandoned when the Mongols came and paid it a visit. Plan of attack today is to have a look at the monastery first and then walk back over the mountains to back to Dilijan. A trip of 20, 22, 23 kilometers. It's going to take the day. King's crosses left by people who came here. The people are gone a long time ago, but the proof of their visit is still here. The walls are literally covered in inscriptions. Beautiful stone carving work here. I do have a thing for these intricate stone carvings. Not because of religion. I see it as a waste of using so much time and energy on that, but the craftsmanship I appreciate. And there is a modern restoration and destruction actually. It should have been stone, not glass. Surrounded by quite a scenic, cozy village actually. And a magnificent landscape. A load of tourists start to pour in. Tranquility is broken, so it's time to go. The trail starts here, just beside the pilgrim rest house. Today's hike goes along the Transcaucasian trail. It's a trail project that build a trail going from one end of the Caucasus to another. They have recently completed the Armenian leg of it, and I think most of Georgia is done as well. Not a good day, but there is not much water to find along this trail, at least not before Pars Lake. And it's beautiful. Some of the beautiful trees here. This forest is so beautiful. Robin Hood forest. Flowers as far as you can see. So beautiful here. I so much recommend people to take this hiking in Armenia in general. There is so much beauty here, especially spring, early summer. So most of the climb is now behind me. There will be a little more uphill, and then it will be down the rest of the way to Dilijan. I wonder what this is going to be. .5 to Dilijan, and it's mostly, or maybe completely, downhill. Approaching downtown Dilijan commercial center, and guess who is going to buy a beer?